Okay, let's talk about the single stroke 7 and a couple ways to apply it around the drum set. Okay, single stroke 7 are 7 notes with a pause. They're usually phrased as 16th note triplets, so the technical count would be 1 triplet and triplet 2, pause, 3 triplet and triplet 4, pause. And so you also want to make sure you practice it starting with the left, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, both ways. Okay, so that's the single stroke 7. Couple ways to use it around the drum set, like say as a fill, and maybe end on the snare. If you're familiar with Metallica 1, the double bass drum part in the middle of the song is a single stroke 7. So let's get the double bass drum going here with the first 6 on the bass drum and the last on the snare with the hi-hat. And speaking of double bass, you could, with the fill that we talked about with the hands, or any fill with the hands, you could substitute some of those notes with double bass. So how about 2 hands, 2 feet, and then 3 hands? That would be single stroke 7. And how about we phrase it snare and then the tom, like.